welcome to my channel. I hope that you are having a great day. I have a design team project for ASC Craft Supplies. I do have a coupon code, which is Michelle10, and it is for 10% off any regular price purchases. And they do have free shipping if you spend $75 or more. And the paper that I used for this project is the Mintay Joy of Life. And Adriana Alvarez is the one that came up with a vending machine. It might be a couple of years ago now, but anyway, she's a super talented lady on Instagram. Unfortunately, she does not have a YouTube channel, but BuzzinbwithVee came up with an SVG file for the vending machine, and I will link both of those ladies in the description box below. I'm sure that you know who they are. On the front here, I used one of the Mintay chippy pieces, and I just painted it with a couple different colors of like ivory and pink. And I've used some of the ephemera pieces here on the front, but this paper is absolutely gorgeous with these like aqua teal colors and the pinks you can see, and it has hot air balloons. But it's just beautiful, and I will show you this scene on the back. Really pretty, but see, there's our hummingbird and the little wicker bird nest, and then this beautiful pink and pops of yellow for the flowers. And I did make some gold matting on this. I love the Recollections matte gold paper. I think it is so pretty. It's a really pretty gold. And here on the side, I got sidetracked from showing the front. I started showing those hot air balloons, which is just absolutely gorgeous. I have this wrapped around the top and the side here, and then on the front we have this really pretty teal. It's not really teal, it's like a aqua color with the hummingbirds and these little pale pink flowers, pink and white, I guess. And I used the rose gold for the buttons, and then cut out some of the paper for the numbers. And here I have used some of the flowers from ASC Craft Supplies, and these flowers that they sell are from Wild Orchid Craft. And if you've ever used Wild Orchid Craft flowers, they are excellent quality, and they are handmade. And I always tuck in some little berries here around my flowers, and I do have some leaves just peeking out. And the vending machine opens from the bottom, and our insert, here, it always works better if I push it from the inside because it fits just perfectly. And I have made some handmade flowers. These are some rolled flowers, and this is a silhouette fowl. And then on this flower, I just used some flower shapes from Cricut Design Space. And I'm trying to remember the lady that kind of started the craze with the styrofoam ball in the center of the flower. I cannot think of her name, so if you know who she is, just leave her in the comment section. I can't remember. She was on Instagram. So just have some different flowers in there, and then I thought I would hold off on putting some things in this. That way the person I'm swapping with will have a little bit of a surprise. That just slides back in, and then you just close the bottom up like that. So thanks for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. I hope that you will leave a comment. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.